No city in the world knows how to throw a party like New Orleans. And whether you're on Bourbon Street or entertaining in your own backyard, the Creole cocktail is sure to be a crowd pleaser. So grab a glass, because this week's drink will take us straight to the Big Easy. This cocktail elevates the distinct flavor of your favorite Irish whiskey by delicately balancing it with a touch of sweetness and a subtle zest. And yep, you guessed it, the Creole cocktail is Queen Bee approved.